Welcome to this 4 BHK amazing residence at Lansamantania for CP Rao sir and his family. And I am so happy that ये पूरा complete interior project हमने डिज़ाइन किया, हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली ये प्रोजेक्ट डिज़ाइन करने के लिए। और इस पूरी सीरीज में हम इस पूरे घर का हर एक स्पेस के बारे में जानेंगे, टूर करेंगे, अपने डिज़ाइंस दिखाएंगे, कैसे हमने डिज़ाइन किया, कैसे एग्जीक्यूट हुआ और रियल ग्राउंड में वो कैसा लग रहा है। सो अगर आपको ये पूरा होम इंटीरियर्स देखना है, हर एक एपिसोड देखना है, तो होम इंडिया के चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि हर एक वीक में आपको एक स्पेसेस इसकी मिलेगी जो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं और अपने घर में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। आज हम देखेंगे ड्राइंग रूम। तो ड्राइंग रूम जब हम डिजाइन करना चालू कर रहे थे, तो जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट थी, वो थी ये वॉल। He was very sure and his family was very sure. He has a lot of achievements that he has done in his life. He has an IRS passed out, I think, at 1983, and he has been in a very integral part of our financial system and our government. So he has achieved a lot of mementos, awards, and there's a lot of things to display. So they were very clear that they wanted to showcase this complete wall as his achievement wall, and I think this has came out really well. And also with that, they had already the ancestral furniture in terms of sofa that they wanted to use. So they were very particular about it. So when I first visited here, this was the very first point. Okay, we have this. Plus also they had different sort of paintings that they wanted to use. You can see it here. So they wanted to display these paintings in the house. Everything we talked about, we have tried to incorporate those movements in the complete interiors. And plus, you can when you come by, we have used beautiful veneers that is matching to the existing furniture in this complete space, that is looking out very well. So now with all those things that were there in terms of requirements, we were very clear that we want to create this wall as a statement wall, which I think we have been able to achieve it very well. With keeping that as a statement wall, we have to because the furniture was already been made, so we cannot change the furniture. That's why in this particular room we tried to go for a very beautiful false ceiling that is with PVC planks. Initially we decided sort of like we'll go with a similar veneer, but the costing was getting increased a lot. So we played it really well and we have gone with a PVC planks false ceiling, and we have installed it in this manner so that there is literally no joints can be seen in this false ceiling, which is coming out really well. And in the whole false ceiling we have gone for only your downlighters. We have not gone for a panel light, because here generally formal guests are going to come and they'll stay for a lesser time span, so it is important that they feel calm and cozy in this space. That's why we have just gone for the downlight, which is not at all pointing out, or that is not making this space very shiny. The lights are only there when it is needed. Plus we also played certain lights in the cabinet to highlight the cabinets, so there's very right amount of light, I can say, we have planned in this room, that we didn't try to overdo the lights. Then for the curtains, we have planned the pelmet, and then we also wanted to have that wooden touch all over. So we have continued the pelmet in the room all together, starting from one point to the other till the other point. This wooden beam sort of structure is there. So for that we have also gone for certain electrical points, and then you can see this is for the curtain that we have planned the pelmet above it. Over there with the AC is been planned that we could have not changed, so AC is over there. So overall this place is come out really well, and I think this is very minimalistic approach, very sensitive approach, that we have not gone for a lot, spending a lot of money. We could have made this complete unit with wood as well, but because this is far more achievable in terms of veneer, so you can see the design and actual, it has come out really well. Plus also the carpentry team has worked beautifully. This is CNC carved, and then we have installed the veneer over it, and the panels are like really good. You can see there's a lot of things more that he could have displayed. He has kept it all here, but again we have gone for the soft close hinge here. Now talking about more of the materials, in the core materials we have used BWP grade of plywood, and then in the finish we have used veneer, which has a beautiful texture to it. And in terms of hardware, these are like openable shutters, so all you can see, there's hinges here. All these hinges are soft close hinges. And then in terms of going, because this is like a very big unit that we wanted to make, but we didn't wanted to break the shutter in two parts. So how we played it beautifully, that we have given a skirting, a base to the structure, and we have also given a top to the structure. So we have broken down the structure because we could have not got the big plywood piece over here. So that's why we broke it in a different part. And then from internal you can see this plain glass, but from outside you can see this this paneling sort of a thing you can completely see in this, but from internal this is just the plain glass stick to it. So the width of this panel is more, and then the center width of panel is less, and this is the teak bidding structure that we have used to combine the glass and the plywood panel. So in internal you can see in it, because this is like the unit that we are going to see from outside as well, that's why in internal as well we have used the veneer, not here because from outside it is not going to see, so we have been cost sensitive as well. So here we have used the liner, but from whatever you're going to see from outside, you're going to see a pure wooden finish cabinet. So we have been very sensitive about this. And in terms of ceiling, we have gone for gypsum for the base structure because it is clean, simple false ceiling. And in the center, we have gone for PVC. A beautiful part that later added on is this fan. This is being camouflaging with the PVC false ceiling we have designed. So this is looking very premium, very look good, because there's no certain amount of attention it is grabbing. So this is looking out really pretty at the end of it. तो अगर आपको ये ड्राइंग रूम का टूर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा तो डेफिनेटली लिविंग रूम का टूर भी देखिएगा, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा और पर्सनलाइज है, उन पर्सनल फैमिली के ऊपर है और बहुत ही बड़ा लैविश निकल के आया। तो डेफिनेटली आप उस पेज को ज़रूर देखिएगा इस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और सब्सक्राइब होम इंडिया फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज़।